This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link to a specific sheet within a Google Sheets workbook. In Google Sheets, the entire file is called a workbook, and then each individual tab down here is called a sheet. And let's suppose you are sharing this file with another person and you want to link to a specific sheet within that broader workbook. This is what you do. You click on the sheet that you would like to share, and then you go to the URL bar and copy that by either using the keyboard command Control C or Command C, or right clicking and then selecting copy. Once you do that, you were able to place that link in another document or an email or however you're sharing it. And when that person uses that link, it will open up the specific tab. So in this document, I wanted to share a link to sheet 2 of this document. And when I copied and pasted that link, that is where it took me to. When you share that link, you're still able to access the other sheets in the spreadsheet. It just directs you to the specific sheet that you want to share. Remember that if you are sharing your link with other people, to make sure that your sharing settings are correct. And if you need help with that, you can view this video here. So this video shows you how to link to a specific sheet in a Google Sheets workbook. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.